In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts manually in HubSpot CRM. To get started, sign in to your HubSpot account. Make sure you're using the correct workspace so the contact is added to the right CRM database. Once you're logged in, look to the main navigation and open the CRM section. This is where HubSpot organizes your customer and lead information, and it's the starting point for creating and managing records. From the CRM menu, select Contacts. This will take you to your Contacts dashboard, where you can view existing records and add new ones. To create a new entry, click Create Contact. A form will appear with the fields you need to complete. Begin by entering the contact's email address. This is one of the most important details because it helps HubSpot identify and organize the record. After that, type in the first name, followed by the last name. Enter these carefully so your records stay clean and easy to search later. Next, select the contact owner. This usually refers to the person on your team responsible for managing the relationship with that contact. Then enter the job title, which can provide useful context for sales, marketing, or support teams when reviewing the record. Now add the phone number. Be sure to type it in the correct format your team normally uses for consistency. Then choose the lifecycle stage. This setting helps define where the contact currently sits in your business process, such as a lead, opportunity, or customer. After that, select the lead status. This field gives additional insight into the contact's current level of engagement or progress. Then, choose the legal basis for processing contact data. This step is especially important for compliance and data privacy, so make sure the selected option matches how your organization is permitted to store and use that person's information. Once all the fields are filled in, take a moment to review the contact information. Double-check for spelling mistakes, missing details, or incorrect selections. A quick review now can prevent confusion later and helps keep your CRM accurate. When everything looks right, click Create. HubSpot will save the new contact record. To confirm the process was successful, verify that the contact has been added to your list. Then open the contact record and review the saved contact details one more time. This final check ensures the information was stored correctly and that the record is ready for future follow-up, reporting, or communication. Thanks for watching.